Hi guys, are you a fan of Korean food? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make the quickest tteokbokki. Actually, the spelling of this Korean dish is something that I cannot always remember. The healthiest brunch that I always prepare for myself.
This video is brought to you by MOMiji's Amazon store, kitchen essentials curated for you, MOMiji's channel members, and MOMiji's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly.
There's more for you, my lovely supporters. Use iSubbed at Teespring checkout to get $30 off your entire order. Links below.
Yay, we're now finished preparing our brunch. I'm going to show you guys. We have the tteokbokki. Of course, we have our kimchi and our pickled ginger. That's my favorite. And this one, a lot of people sent me a feedback that this one looks so nasty. It's healthy. Doesn't matter if it looks nasty. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you've tried tteokbokki before and if you make it from scratch as well. I usually make my rice cakes from scratch, but since I discovered that we also have it at Hanaro, why would I bother to make them from scratch? And it takes a lot of my time and the effort, and the cost is the same. Although it's fun, it's fulfilling, it's rewarding to make your own from scratch. But life is getting busier, so might as well just buy it from them. This is the strawberry topping that I added earlier because I'm planning to make mochi, strawberry mochi, but I haven't made the anko paste. And to make mochi, it's best if you have anko paste to wrap the fruits and, you know, give it extra texture and taste. But I'm hoping I can finish it this week, so please stay tuned. Guys, try this natto. It's so good, and we are loaded with probiotics today. Excuse me, probiotics from the pickled ginger and the kimchi, and also this natto. Look, I love it. Natto sandwich. You can make natto sandwich with this one. It's so sticky. So sticky. Alright, let's try this. The cheesy, gooey, spicy. Alright, let's repeat. The healthiest brunch in the world. Actually, not just, anyway, repeat. The healthiest brunch next to my favorite Japanese brunch. Anyway, so this is tteokbokki, sweet and salty, cheesy, gooey, and so good. Let's try. Look at that. Yeah. I can have this every day.